What are the basic microorganisms are there? If you take microorganisms, many kinds of microorganisms will be there. It will go numerous and so on, but all the thing will have one origin. So based on that origin, basically the microorganisms if you take, or microbes if you take, it classified into totally four categories. So first one is bacteria. And second one is fungi. First one is bacteria and second one is fungi. Third one is protozoa. Third type of microbes is protozoa, and the final one is called algae. So totally, four types it's used to get classified. So bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae. Include the virus. Virus also come under microorganisms. So including virus 5 types, excluding virus 4 types. Why I am excluding virus means it is a, even though micro, but it not concluded that whether that is a living thing or non-living thing. So it come under the micro level, but it's not a microorganisms. It's not a complete microbes or microorganisms. So totally 4 types. Basically if you see, take 4 types is there. So in that first thing, bacteria. So some examples of bacteria, for example you say cocci, bacillus, then spirillum. So these are the some examples of the bacteria which are come under these types of bacteria. So cocci, if you see, that is the spherical shaped bacteria. Based on the shape and based on their function, they keep this term to each type of microorganism categories. So example bacteria. So for example bacteria types, if you see cocci. So these are all the species name of this bacteria. So for example you take, we have the human beings, we have the scientific name of the human beings is Homo sapiens. In this, the Homo come under the genus category and sapiens come under the species category. So we are the species belongs to the Homo, which means species belongs to the sapiens. Homo means genus. So before that our ancestors are there. Okay. So likewise if you take bacteria, so this cocci, bacillus, spirillum, so these are all come under the species category. Okay. So bacillus, like bacterium, cocci, like that. Bacteria will come under the genus category and this cocci, bacillus, spirillum are come under the species category. So this cocci, why they keep this term cocci to this type of bacteria means they are spherical in shape. Completely, some cocci bacteria is not completely spherical in shape. Some bacteria which belongs to the cocci is spherical in shape. So mostly these type of bacteria you can found in the stagnant water. In the stagnant water you can find this cocci. Bacillus, if you take rod shaped bacteria, the bacteria shape which is rod, like stick shape. Okay. So that type of bacteria will come under the category of bacillus. This we can found in the contaminated water, polluted water, sewage. In that area you can see this bacillus. Spirillum, the name itself represents spirilla. The name itself represents spiral shape. The bacteria which is at a spiral shape. So that come under the category of spirillum. So based on the shape of the bacteria, they used to keep the name, and some bacteria they used to keep based on the function. Some bacteria used to keep based on the color. So like that many categories is there. In the basically for your awareness, these three types of bacteria is there: cocci, bacillus, spirillum. So each one based on their shape it is categorized.